Hey guys, it's my time. It's your cook Bangali cooker. Today we're gonna make a recipe named by dry shrimp mash. In Bangla, chingri shutki bharta. So let's start the fire on. Boom! Take 25 or 30 gram shrimp and wash the shrimp very properly. Then fry the shrimp at hot fry pan. We have to careful about the shrimp not to be burned. Shake the shrimp properly. When the shrimp will crunchy, we have to take off the shrimp to a dry pot. Then fry 4 green pepper to the fry pan with soybean oil. When the color came pretty white, take down the green pepper. Take 1 garlic and 2 onion chopping by this way. We have to take 1 tablespoon soybean oil. Keep warm. Then take 4 green pepper, salt as your taste bar, and chopped onion and garlic. And the fried shrimp, we have to spread it properly. Then we have to give the fried oil to the recipe, and after shaking it, it will be ready. You guys can enjoy it with rice. It's very delicious for a Bengali. Hope you guys enjoy the time. Hit the subscribe button and the like button also. Bye.